Welcome to Voiceless Unboxing. Today we are unboxing the Dyson Supersonic Nural hairdryer. In this box, you'll get one smaller box in a presentation case, a Wave Plus curl diffuser, inside the presentation case, you get a styling concentrator, a wide tooth comb, a Dyson Supersonic Nural hairdryer. Under all that, you also get a gentle air attachment, a flyaway attachment, and finally, the safety guidelines, the user manual, and the power cord. The buttons are not that satisfying to press. All attachments are magnetic. Gentle air attachment. Dyson Supersonic Nural hairdryer. Wide tooth comb. Styling concentrator. Wave Plus curl diffuser. Flyaway attachment. Time to test the hair dryer and attachments. Dyson air filter. Wave Plus curl diffuser. Airflow is drawn away from the head into the dome to create smooth, defined waves and curls with rounded ends. Attachment learning. A Hall sensor recognizes each attachment as you use it and remembers your preferences. It then automatically adjusts to your go-to settings. Gentle air attachment. Evenly diffuses airflow for gentle yet fast drying. Set your style. 3 precise speed settings and 4 precise heat settings. The 4th button is a cold shot, cooling and setting your styles. Wide tooth comb helps stretch and lengthen hair. Styling concentrator, wider and thinner for precision styling. Scalp Protect Mode, a time-of-flight sensor automatically adjusts to maintain an optimal target temperature for improved moisture retention. Flyaway attachment hides shorter hairs for a smooth, shiny finish. Scalp Protect Mode, a time-of-flight sensor automatically adjusts to maintain an optimal target temperature for improved moisture retention. Set your style, 3 precise speed settings and 4 precise heat settings. The 4th button is a cold shot, cooling and setting your styles.